Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Do you want to download your favorite Pinterest video to your gallery or save it for offline viewing? Don't worry because you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly download videos from Pinterest. This process works for both Android and iOS users, so no matter what device you're using, you're good to go. Make sure to follow all the steps, and by the end of this video, you'll have your Pinterest videos saved in your gallery. First, open the Pinterest application on your device. Now, select the video that you want to download. For this tutorial, let's say I want to download a relaxing autumn video. I'll search for it in the search bar and select the video I want to save. Once you've opened the video, it should go full screen. Now here's the thing. Unlike photos on Pinterest, videos don't have a direct download button. But don't worry, I've got a simple trick for you. Here's what to do next. Tap the three dots you'll see below the video. A menu will pop up with different options. Select the copy link option. Now that we've copied the video link, exit the Pinterest app and open any web browser on your device. I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, but you can use whichever browser is available on your device. In the search bar, type Pinterest Video Downloader and open the website with the same name. Once you're on the site, you'll see a bar that says Paste your link here. This is where you're going to paste the link you copied from Pinterest. After pasting it, click the download button. Wait for a few seconds while the website processes the video. Once it's done, scroll down, and you'll see the video you selected. Finally, click the Force Download Video button, and the video will be saved to your gallery. And that's it. It's that easy. Now you can watch your favorite Pinterest videos anytime, even without an internet connection. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so now for more helpful tutorials and tech tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.